Hello, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm making some beef short ribs. I have 3 pounds already washed in lemon juice and seasoned up. And let me show you what I used to season it up. Some of my green seasoning, about a hefty tablespoon of my green seasoning. Black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, seasoning salt, and this new seasoning I told you I found ginger, garlic, pimento. So if you don't have it combined, you use a little bit of each. And then for spice, just a little bit of my, and then I add a little bit of this. Remember, if you don't have this, you can always use Worcestershire sauce. And then some browning. And that's what I use to season up the meat. Here my pot is heating up for me to brown the meat. So let's get started. This one is coming off of the top of that. So this one. And this one too. Now while the meat is browning, let me show you some of the other ingredients I'm going to be using. Bell pepper, frozen, I didn't even know I had it. Some beef broth. I got minced garlic here. And check this out, like I'm making oxtail. I'm going to put some butter beans in there. And then here I have fresh vegetables, onion, carrots, tomatoes, and I have some thyme also. So those are other ingredients that's going to go in the short ribs. Okay, let's turn these meat. I don't want to fry them, I just want to give them a little browning, a little brown on each side. Guys, the meat is just about done browning, so I'm going to add a little flour for thickening on them. Okay. Now see the little bit of leftover I have in the bowl here? I'm going to pour just a little bit of the beef broth on here right now. But first, let me add some of the garlic. Some fresh thyme. Okay, what are you breaking up now? Really, Jade, you didn't even give me a second to ask. Relax. Okay. Get all the goodness from the bowl. Pour it on here. Guys, I'm going to cover this and slow cook it for about 1 hour, okay? See you back then. It's been an hour. And I have to tell you, in the middle of the hour, I did have to add about a 3/4 cup of water to get more liquid in there. So now, and so this is what we're looking like. Let's add the vegetables, the veg. No, let me not do that. Girl, you wait till I come in here to get up and come in here. That's what that is. Yeah. Okay, where are my bell peppers? Please tell me I did not put those things back. I did. Jade came home and she distracted me. Put some of these frozen bell peppers in here. I'm gonna open the can of butter beans now. Eat what? Oops.
So, how much longer?
Jade, leave my kitchen alone and go back where you come from so I can cook my food in peace, please.
I was starved.
So find some. I'll find you something. That's okay if I find you something? But see, you're eating the pudding there.
Pudding.
Okay, guys, I'm adding about another cup of the beef broth. Oh, thought that was for me. See you in 45 minutes. Okay, welcome back. Jade got tired of waiting, y'all. She went to bed. She went to take a nap. Let's get you a little closer. So here we go. The finished product. So guys, that says here 1 hour was 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I cooked this a total of 2 hours and 15 minutes. I can't believe I was about to say that. You can also cook this in your slow cooker, your pressure cooker, in the oven, your Instapot. Next time I may cook it in my Instapot next time. I just wanted, the first time I make a video of short ribs, I do it on the stove top because I'm pretty sure that's where most people are going to. This gravy right here is fire. Ooh, let me give it a taste. It is perfection. Then over here, I have my rice and pigeon peas. I was gonna make a cornbread, but y'all, I'm working on my eating, so not today because I just made a sweet potato pudding last night. And then I have my steamed kale. I'll see you back in a minute when I fix me a plate. So I found out Jay was not sleeping, y'all. So fixing my baby a plate. I am fixing my baby a plate, y'all. Okay. Ooh, ooh, child. This is gonna be so good. So here you go. Here you go. Thank you guys. Ooh, I gotta clean that up. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, like, comment, and share, and let's just eat delicious food together. From my family to yours, God bless, and you enjoy your week. Have a lovely week. Them plantains were too ripe.